Council spokesman John Kirby condemned Chinese military drills in the area and said the Pentagon had ordered the aircraft carrier USS Ronald Reagan and her escorts to remain near Taiwan to monitor the situation. The USS Reagan and her accompanying ships are based in Japan and were deployed to the East China Sea in recent days, as House Speaker Nancy Pelosi paid a visit. Taiwan, if it wished to. Beijing considers Taiwan to be part of its territory and has declared peaceful reintegration as its strategic goal. The island was the last stronghold of